When the engine is started cold, the desired air-fuel ratio is rich. It will remain rich until the engine temperature reaches about 120 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. The oxygen sensor needs to reach about 750 degrees to become functional. Until then, O2 volts remain at 1.015. This oxygen sensor becomes functional after 74 seconds of runtime. Under normal conditions, this can take up to 2 minutes. Additional time may be necessary if it is unusually cold or the exhaust configuration places the oxygen sensor further from the hot exhaust port. When the oxygen sensor becomes functional, it generates up to 1 volt based on the oxygen content of the exhaust. The narrowband oxygen sensor currently in use generates 700 millivolts to 1 volt for rich exhaust and 0 to 200 millivolts for lean exhaust. Because the engine temperature has not yet reached 120 to 140 degrees, the desired air-fuel ratio remains rich, which is verified by O2 voltage. O2 voltage allows the ECU to calculate the actual air-fuel ratio. Injector time is then adjusted by the ECU to achieve the desired air-fuel ratio. These adjustments are called short-term adaptation. In this video, the O2 volts confirm the air-fuel ratio remains rich even during the varying operating conditions of the Kohler Customer Experience Center.